I'm Terry Roth, Schaff, and I want to talk to you about spondylolisthesis. What is spondylolisthesis? Well, any word that begins with spondylo has to do with your spine. In spondylolisthesis, what's happening is one or more vertebra is shifting. Actually, vertebrae if it's plural. It's shifting forward, it's shifting back, or sideways. If it's shifting sideways, then you've been told you have scoliosis. How do we get the spine to come back and be where it should be? One vertebra stacked over another vertebra. Well, we strengthen our core muscles, and the pose I really like is side plank. We're getting older, some of us, hopefully. What's the other option? So side plank can be done on a wall. It can be done on a countertop where you open your feet and you stack them and you lengthen your spine, and you're strengthening the muscles in the front of the spine and in the back of the spine. You can start this first on a wall, then on a counter, and then you start going lower. If you come to Omega with us, we'll teach you these things. You never have to get to the floor. We will bring the yoga postures to wherever you are, and then you will work with what you have, which is all any of us can do.